Samsung is preparing to unveil its latest devices, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, during its Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26. Despite the company's efforts to keep the details under wraps, leaks have continued to surface. Recently, hands-on shots of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 emerged online, following numerous leaks of promotional images and renders. These images provide a closer look at the phone's cover display, back, and upgraded hinge, which allows the device to close completely flat. Upon first glance, the leaked images of the Fold 5 resemble its predecessor, the Fold 4. However, a closer examination reveals slight modifications to the rear cameras, including separate LED flash units and larger lens protrusions. Additionally, an image of the Fold 5's interior folding display has also surfaced, although the visibility of the crease is hindered by its low-quality image. These leaked photos indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is likely a test unit, as it features various identification markers on both the front and rear. The images were shared on Reddit by an individual who claimed to have obtained them from someone looking to sell the device. Based on the rumors and leaked photographs, it seems that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will not undergo a significant redesign compared to its predecessor. Instead, Samsung seems to have focused on making minor adjustments, such as introducing a zero-gap hinge and achieving a slimmer appearance when the device is closed. Internally, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to feature improvements such as a faster and more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU and quick UFS 4.0 storage. These enhancements are likely to be the key areas of focus for Samsung's upcoming release. You can expect a lot more leaks heading your way in the coming days, and we will be sure to keep you posted about all the information that comes forward. Until then, stay tuned and let us know what you would like to see in the new foldable phones. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this and hit the like button to support the video. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.